All right, guys, welcome back to Grow the Earth. And today I'm going to show you one thing that a lot of gardeners are sleeping on. It's a really good way that you can get a bunch of nitrogen into your garden and into your compost, and it will save you money because it's absolutely free. And if you have trees anywhere near your house, then you know that these guys are everywhere. But the good news is these leaves are absolutely wonderful for your garden in many different ways. Now, right here, I have all these leaves in my compost bin, and they've been run through a shredder. Now, they may not look like it, but I promise you they have. And what that's going to do is that is going to add more surface area when you're running through a shredder, but it's not 100% necessary. Well, what we're going to do is we're just going to take these guys, put them into our compost bin, give them a nice water. And if you want to, you can really get in there and just kind of step on them and crush them because the smaller the pieces are, the better and the faster they're going to break down. So this is going to add a ton of nitrogen into your into your compost. It's going to be a really good addition, and it's going to help you have the best compost whenever it comes summertime for you to put this into your beds. Now, these compost bins are not the only place that these leaves are going to be good for you, because they can also go straight into your beds. Now, a lot of you people up in the north right now, if your ground is not frozen and you can still kind of work the soil a little bit, or even if it is, we're going to take those leaves and shred them and then put them actually straight on our beds. And what this is going to do is it's going to insulate the ground, and it's going to make a mat that is going to suppress any weeds that are actually in your soil. And then come summertime, once that stuff is broken down by just sitting there underneath the snow that you've got up north, that's going to be able to be turned right into the top layer. Or you can just leave it there, move the leaves out of the way, and plant right inside of it. Now, you southern gardeners that are down there why I am in southeast Texas, we don't hardly get any snow. And if we do get snow, it's only for a couple of days. Our ground doesn't freeze, so that's probably not as big of a deal. But what you can do also with these leaves, and this applies to everybody, is you can put them around your trees. If you're like me and you plant your trees and you put them in these little rings like this, those shredded leaves will go right in there and amongst around the base of your tree. Now, putting these leaves around the base of your trees is going to, again, it's going to suppress the weeds. It's going to add more nutrients to that ground as it breaks down. It's going to insulate the ground so that if you do get any ice or snow or anything like that, the roots are going to stay warmer and happier because they've got that layer of insulation. And all in all, you're adding good bacteria, you're adding good nitrogen, you're adding good carbon, you're adding all these things, and you've just simply got to gather those leaves and put them where you want them. Now, another really good thing that you can do with leaves, you can actually make a compost bin, use an old trash can, just whatever that you can get to house all those leaves, and you can make leaf mold. Now, if you haven't ever done leaf mold or looked up leaf mold, do some research on it. It's a super beneficial thing to add to your garden, to add on top of your garden, almost like a compost that will significantly increase the productivity of your bed and of your compost if you put it into your compost after it's already molded. Now, some of you might be saying, oh man, I don't really have the time to rake my yard, pick up all those leaves, and do that, what you're talking about. And I will tell you, one of the easiest ways to do this is if you have a mulching lawnmower, which probably 90% of the lawnmowers out there today are mulching lawnmowers, is take that lawnmower and mow your yard. The difference between mowing in the summertime and mowing it now is you're going to bag it. You're going to put that little bag on there. You're going to have to dig in the back of your garage. You're going to dig in the back of your garage because nobody hardly ever uses it, and find that bag. But as you run all those leaves, it will shred those leaves and it'll put them in a nice bag, and you just empty that out. Do that once and you'll have enough shredded leaves to do anything you want with them. Add them to your compost, add them to your garden beds, add them around your trees, uh, put them in their own special area to make leaf mold. The options are endless. And all this for a little bit of effort and a free resource that most people rake up and throw away in the garbage. If you're really adventurous, whenever your neighborhood does their cleanup, just go through and pick up those bags. You don't even have to work for it. They're going to do all the work for you. You just pick them up, throw them in the back of your truck, throw them in your SUV, whatever it may be. If you're really high class and you've got a little utility trailer, throw them in there. Bring them back, dump them all into a pile, and make your free compost, make your free soil amendment, make your leaf mold, make your trees and your garden happy. So guys, as always, I thank you for joining me today. I hope that you learned something today, and this is something that you can implement in your garden and in your life. And as always, I ask you to pray over your family, pray over your garden, and have a great day.